Here is a low-carb chicken soup recipe. I started with a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. I chopped up onions, celery, and carrots. Now, carrots aren't exactly low carb, but in small quantities, you can still consume them. Ever since I started a low-carb diet, I have been craving soup. The store-bought soups have a lot of carbs in them, but if you make it yourself, you can make it low-carb. Let's get going. So this is optional. I added a little bit of turmeric. That is one of my new favorite spices. This is completely optional. I just wanted to add a little bit of twist to a traditional chicken soup. This is another little twist I'm putting in. I'm doing a ginger and garlic paste. I put 2 tablespoons, or actually I think they're teaspoons full in there. It's always measured with love. Same with that turmeric. I just put a little bit around. I don't want to go too heavy on the turmeric, but it's going to add a lot of flavor to my soup. In my world, you can never have too much garlic, so I added a little bit of this minced garlic in there also. And I'm just sauteing this up. Listen to that sizzle. Everything is simmering very nicely. It's time to put in the chicken broth. I just happen to have these in my pantry, so I'm going to use both of these. I had cooked up a family-size pack of chicken just for my husband and I have this leftover chicken, which is why I'm making the chicken soup. I have been craving it, and most chicken soup at the store-made ones, like regular in the can, are not low carb. So this version, making it yourself, is low carb, and now I can have soup. I've been craving soup for a long time. I cut the chicken up into smaller chunks, but they were still chunks, and I just put them in there. And then you can see on the top here, I put my seasonings in, salt and pepper. This is all to your own taste. I put some oregano and some parsley. The parsley was actually fresh parsley from the garden, and I had dried it out and saved it, so that is fresh parsley in there. I put some onion flakes in there, and then as I go along, I will taste test this and adjust it accordingly. Again, make it to your own taste. Here is another twist that I'm doing. I love arugula, and we keep buying these big giant bins of the arugula. We make our salads with it. We put it into our omelets, and today I'm going to put it right into my soup. It's a good way to use it up, and it should cook right in there, and it'll add a little bit of flavor to that soup. And again, totally optional. Make it the way you like it. If you want spinach leaves in there, put spinach leaves in. If you want green beans in there, put green beans in. It's all up to you. I can't wait till this is done simmering. Doesn't that look delicious? I can't wait to try my new low-carb soup. I've been meaning to make this for a while, and today I decided to. It's January, it's cold, and I just want some hot soup for lunch. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.